Welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful and iconic machines in the world of heavy equipment, the Caterpillar D11 Bulldozer. Known for its unmatched strength, durability, and size, the D11 is a true giant in the world of construction and mining. If you're a fan of massive machinery and raw power, this is the video for you. Let's get straight to it. The Caterpillar D11 is designed to handle the toughest jobs on Earth, whether it's clearing land, moving massive amounts of material, or working in extreme environments. This machine gets the job done. It's not just about size, it's about performance and efficiency. Every part of the D11 is engineered to deliver maximum productivity, making it a favorite for large-scale operations. Under the hood, the Caterpillar D11 is powered by the incredible C32 Assert engine, which delivers a jaw-dropping 850-plus horsepower. This engine gives the D11 the ability to push through the heaviest loads with ease. But it's not just about brute force. Caterpillar's engineering ensures that the engine is also fuel efficient, helping operators get the most out of every drop of diesel. Whether you're moving dirt, rock, or debris, this bulldozer handles it all effortlessly. One of the most impressive features of the D11 is its massive blade. Built to push tons of material in a single pass, the blade is engineered for both durability and precision. The design minimizes resistance, allowing the D11 to move more material faster. Whether you're grading land or clearing an area for construction, the blade is a critical part of what makes this bulldozer so effective. But the D11 isn't just about raw power. It's also built for tough environments. Its heavy-duty tracks provide superior traction, allowing the machine to navigate rough terrain without losing stability. From rocky hillsides to muddy fields, the D11 is built to keep working, no matter the conditions. And with reinforced components and a rugged frame, it can withstand years of demanding use. Now, let's talk about the operator experience. The D11 may be a massive machine, but Caterpillar has made sure it's a joy to operate. The cab is spacious and equipped with the latest technology. From intuitive controls to advanced touchscreen displays, operators have everything they need at their fingertips. Comfort is also a priority, with ergonomic seating and a climate-controlled interior that ensures long shifts are manageable. Safety is another area where the D11 shines. Caterpillar has included advanced safety features like cameras, monitoring systems, and enhanced visibility to keep both the operator and surrounding workers safe. The D11 is proof that power and safety can go hand in hand. Maintenance is often a concern with heavy equipment, but the D11 is designed for ease of service. Key components are easily accessible, and Caterpillar's advanced diagnostics help operators and technicians stay on top of regular maintenance. This means less downtime and more time getting the job done. In conclusion, the Caterpillar D11 Bulldozer is a masterpiece of engineering. It's a machine that combines raw power, cutting-edge technology, and legendary durability. Whether you're working in construction, mining, or any heavy-duty environment, the D11 is the machine you want by your side. It's loud, it's powerful, and it's built to move mountains. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new about the Caterpillar D11, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos. See you next time, and keep exploring the world of incredible machines.